we are starting with 431 now. 431 is very much bulky, so this is really very heavy to lift. So he has to come here and confirm it. Come now. This is 431. This is 431 and 431 Sony FH7. So we have to check the model number of this. This is Sony and this is FH7. This FH7. So we are confirming it from list. 431 Sony FH7. Done. Now moving on to 432. 432 again is a very bulky radio. We are going to confirm it from that box. Come here. 432. So this is 432. 432 Sony CX PK7. This is 432. So this is the model 432. This is differently written. This is AIWA, not Sony. AIWA. I must check the model number from back. This is really heavy. Model number should be here somewhere. So pause the video. So continue the video. This is AIWA BMZ K70. So this is AIWA 432 AIWA, not Akai, not Sony. AIWA model number BMZ K70. BMZ K70. So 432 is done. So now 433 we are going to take in. Starting from 433 now. 433 it should be Akai AJ 433. So checking the model name. This is Akai. This is Akai AJ 500. Okay. So confirming from the list. Akai AJ 500 PS 500 FS. This is Akai. Okay. 433 confirm. Now 444 should be National Panasonic RX 5300. This is national Panasonic, and the model name we have to confirm. 434 National Panasonic is written here. Model name we have to confirm. It should be at the back. Model is 5300F RX. So this is model now. National Panasonic 433 RX 5300F confirmed. Moving on to 435 now. It should be National Panasonic RS 4300TS. So 435. This is 435, and it is again a National Panasonic radio. So this is a radio and this frequency chart, as you can see. MW SW band. It consists radio also. So this is the model number. Model RS4300TS. RS4300TS. Now in the list we have got RS4300TS. 436. Moving on to 436 now. 436 is Marconi phone. 436 is Marconi phone 4400. This is Marconi phone 436. Confirming the model number from behind. Marconi phone. So this is the model number, model 4400. Confirming this from list. Marconi phone 4400. 436 done. Moving on to 437 Nelco Novella. Nelco Novella is this. This is Nelco. This is Nelco Novella. So this is unique radio. Confirmed. 438 now, Nalco Nevada. 438 Nalco Nevada. 438. This is 438 Nalco Nevada. So this is unique radio confirmed. Next is 439 Norge Stereo 444. 439. 413. 439 is this. 439 is this. This is solid state radio. Integrated radio. It has Norge 444. It is written here Norge 444. So 439 is also confirmed. 440 should be Philips RD. So 439. Moving on to 440. 439 is done. 440 we will. 440 is here. Come now. Come. 440 is this one. Philips. So 440 is confirmed. This is other tuning, and it is a radio. 440 is confirmed. Confirming from list. 440 done. Now moving on to 441 again there. This one. This is 441. This is 441. 441 should be Selena 8-band radio. This is 441. 441 Selena 8-band radio. This is done, confirmed. 442 now, National Panasonic Hi-Fi sound. 442. Yeah, this is the best radio, National Panasonic Hi-Fi Sound Deluxe. 442 confirmed. 443 National Panasonic Hi-Fi Sound, again this one. So 443 we have to check the model number. Yes, this is National all transistor 443, and it has different look and different model number also. It is T70 3-band 8 transistor radio. So now confirming from the list is 443. 443 Hi-Fi sound. 443 Hi-Fi sound, and model number is T370. Model number is T370. That's high. T370. Moving on to 444 National, and checking the model number. So 444 we have Zenith radio, not National, so it is a printing mistake. Zenith radio. Zenith radio, and model number is, so the model number is 444. Model number we have to check. This is model number is 1000D Royal 1000D. Model number is Royal 1000D. So done. 444 is done. Checking 445 now. 445 should be Malhar 31365. So this is 445, and this is Malhar. So done with this. 445 confirmed. 446 MON 8-band USSR radio. 446 is this. 446 is this, and 8-band USSR radio we have to confirm. So receiver here, this one is 8-band 810 transistor made in USSR. This is unique radio. This is also confirmed. 446 confirmed. 447 now. Sony radio. This is Sony radio. Sony 447. This is the frequency chart. So it's a radio. It has integrated cassette player also. Confirming the model number HST 400. So 447 HST 400 in list now. 447 HST 400 confirmed. Moving on to 448. 448 we have got here. Come show this one. Yeah. This one is 448 National Panasonic automatic radio. So this one is also confirmed. 448. This is National Panasonic. National Panasonic radio. So this is automatic recording level. It has got automatic. Moving on to 449 now. 449 we have got here. This is 449 and it looks like scope of copper. 449 radio. 449 is Sadhana. We will see where Sadhana is written there. Yeah, this is Sadhana transistor, and it is German design, and model number is STR4. Sadhana design, STR4, Germany. 449 Sadhana, STR4, Germany. 450, moving to 450 National Panasonic R4413. National Panasonic 450, and model number is R4413. We can check it here. So this is confirmed. 450 confirmed. 451 is silver solid state 35323. 451 is this silver. 451 solid state 3533. This is Shirsuna Electric Corp, Japan. So silver solid state, this is also confirmed. 451 silver solid state, Japan. 452 is Braun, BRAUN is Braun radio. 452 Braun, BRAUN. So this is a unique radio. This is also confirmed. A unique radio. 453 Jolly Nicky Master. So this is 453 Jolly Nicky Master. This is also confirmed. All transistor radio. 454 is Philips L4CA. 454 Philips L4CA. For model number we have to confirm it from back. So I think we will have to open it to get the model number. This is unique radio. We didn't see any other radio like this before. So this is also confirmed. 454. Also we can check. This is keeping here. Now 455 should be National Panasonic R558B. This is 455 National Panasonic RF amplifier 5-band radio, and the model number is here. 455 model number should be here. Yeah, this is R558B. This is R558B. So confirm it to the list. 455 done. 456 Murphy 26. 456 is Murphy radio. 456. This is the radio band, and for model number we have to open it. Opening it to show the model number. So checking the model number. Yeah, this is 262 Murphy. So now confirming from the list. 262 Murphy. Murphy 262. This is also done. 457 DEC Deepak. 457. So this is 457 DEC Deepak. This is a unique radio. DEC Deepak, the unique radio. Confirming it in list. 457 DEC Deepak. Turning the pages. 457. Now 458 we should have GCG 5-band radio. So checking whether we get GCC or not. This is 458 and it is written here GCG. This is also a unique radio. Confirming it. 458. 459 should be Grunding Export Boy. So checking it. 459 radio is this, and this is Grunding, unique one. export boy is written here, confirming it from the list. 459. 460 is Sony TR911. So 460 is Sony radio. Yes, Sony radio. Here we have got light also. 460 radio. Checking the model. Model should be TR911. Yes, it is TR911. Sony TR911. 460 confirmed. 461 should be Panasonic RF1600. So moving on to that lane, and we are checking. So here we are starting with 461. This is 461. 461. Yes, Panasonic. Yes, Panasonic. And 461 Panasonic RF1600. Checking model number. RF1600. So 461 confirm. 462 GEC transistor. 462 GEC transistor. 462 GEC is super radio. Looks like a pulse. Looks like very royal look transistor. So this is unique without any proper model number. So this is also confirmed. 462. 463 Nord Mende. Kindly show this radio properly from back view. Show this radio properly. This looks very beautiful. Yes, yeah, looks like female pulses. Okay, and now we have Nord radio, Nord Mende Globe Traveler. So this is a unique radio. I think it is a satellite radio. No, FM 5 band Nord Mende. Nord Mende is written here. This one there. So this really looks heavy and very beautiful and sturdy Globe Traveler. So this is confirmed. 463 confirmed. I'm confirming. 464 is Super Deluxe Candle radio. So 463 is Super Deluxe Candle radio, 8 transistor. This is confirmed. 464. 465 Dux 8351. 465 is Dux Dux SA365 model. So 465 SA365 model. Yeah, this is also confirmed. 466 is Philips 90A. 466 is Philips 90A. 466 Philips 90A. AS396 clock radio. This is also confirmed. Philips 466 Philips. This is wrongly written. 466 AS396 radio. AS396. So Philips 466 confirmed. 467 is Murphy again. Murphy is really famous. Murphy Mastana. We have to check the model number. Murphy Mastana model number 1213. So 467 Murphy Mastana 1213 Mastana. 468 Ramson Preet. 468 Ramson Preet confirmed. 469 Sanyo RP. 469 is Sanyo RP. This one also confirmed. 6160. 469 Sanyo RP 6160 confirmed. 470 is Sirco TR6. 470 is Sirco TR6 unique radio. So unique radio, model number TRC. Model is TR6 actually. So confirming it in the list. 470 Sirco TR6. Yes, done. Japan 1956. Now moving on. 471. 471 should be Murphy 1219. So this is 471 Murphy 1219 should be the model number. Murphy model 1219 confirmed. 472 Philips RL225. 472 Philips. This is Philips RL225. So this is confirmed. 472 confirmed. 473 we have Philips DL171. 473 is Philips DL171. This is confirmed. 474 Philips DL1216. Philips 474 is Philips DL1216. So confirming into the list. 474 DL1216 confirmed. 474. Moving on to 474 is done. Now moving on to 475. 475 we have to see the page. Yes, this is 475 now. So 475 is 470 up to 474 we have done. 475 is Sony. 475 is Sony. 8-band transistor, beautiful looking. This is golden radio again. 475 Sony TR819Y. Confirming the model. Sony TR819Y. This is confirmed. 476 is national. 476 is national. So national again came with golden radio like Sony. 476 8 transistor radio. And we are confirming the model number also. T65 476 T65 477 national 357D 477 national. The model name should be 357D. Yes, we have got R357D. So this one is confirmed. 477. 478 SR standard. 478 SR standard. We have got beautiful radio collection now. This looks very vibrant while looking. So Murphy and Sony has came up with such radio. This is a unique radio, and this is SR standard. 478 confirmed. Standard is written here. 479 Philips Viking. We should see whether we have got Philips Viking or not. Yeah, this is Viking radio. Philips Viking radio, unique one. This is confirmed. 480 Sharp Jhankar. So Jhankar, Sharp also came with Jhankar Beat for India. Sharp Jhankar 4-band radio 480. This is confirmed. 481 National T65A. 481 is national. Confirming the model number. Model number is 3-band T65A. This one is confirmed. 481 national T65A confirmed. 482 should be Sanyo radio. 482 should be Sanyo with 105 P10. 482 is this, and this is Sanyo radio. Confirming the model. Model P10. In list also we have got Sanyo P10. 483 national 220. 483 is national 220. 483 and national radio. Confirming the model is 220J. National 220J. 483 confirmed. 484 national Panasonic T50Y. So this is 484 national Panasonic, and model number is T50Y. Confirming it from list. National Panasonic T50Y confirmed. 485 should be national 2-band. 485 is national again. 485 national 2-band radio. This is confirmed. 486 national Panasonic R217. 486 is national Panasonic MWSW R217 radio. Here is the model number R217. This one. So this is also confirmed. 487 national Panasonic R218R. This again is national Panasonic but unique radio. So So National Panasonic, we can see. So confirming the model number. I will have to take it out and show you the model number. Yeah, here we go. Here we go with the model number. So this is 218 or is the model number. So in list also we have got 218 or 487 done. 487 done. 488 is Morphy Richards. So 488 Morphy Richards done. 489 is again Philips Radio Arjun D126. 489 Philips Arjun D126 done. 490 Philips Tiger RL191. Philips Tiger RL191 done. 491 Flatana 52. 491 Flatana 52 radio. This is also done. Solid state number 52. Confirming it from list 52. So moving on to 492 now. 491 is done. 492 now. This is 492. This is 492 Morphy Richards radio, and the model number we have to confirm because we already have Morphy Richards radios R160. Confirming from list Morphy Richards 492. 160 done. 493 should be Philips Viking 230. 493 Philips Viking 230. Viking 230. Show the model number here. This is the model number. This is also confirmed. 493 done. 494 National 2-band NT. 494 is national sign 2-band unique radio. This is 2-band NT unique radio. This is also confirmed. 495 is Sony TR918. 495 is this Sony TR912 band. So this one is Sony TR912 band confirmed. 496 should be Philips BD. 496 Philips BD DL167 BD 167. This is also confirmed. Murphy M1901. This is Murphy Beautiful Radio 1901. A unique one. 1901 confirmed. Confirming it in the list. 497. 498 Kenwood FC2. 498 Kenwood unique radio. So this is also confirmed. 498 confirmed. 499 Oscar 2B. This is Oscar 2B 2-band radio. So this is also confirmed. 499 we have got confirmed. 50 this 500 radio is Mitsubishi MX2010. So 500 radio we have to see. Yeah, come here. Keep the video on. Keep it on, don't pause. Come. This is 500 radio Mitashi. Yeah, 500 Mitashi MX2010. Confirming you the model number. Mitashi MX2010. Confirming from the list also. MX2010 confirmed. 501 is Bush 818. 501 is Bush 818. Confirmed. Bush 818. Confirmed from list. Bush 818 confirmed. 502 should be Arjun DL195. Arjun 196 it is. Arjun DL196 confirmed. 503 RPHE Mini. 503 Murphy Mini. Murphy MUR Murphy Mini confirmed. 504 is Philips Azad Mini. 060. This is confirmed. Philips Azad Mini 060. 0. 505 should be Philips DL060. This is Philips 505 DL060. This is also confirmed. 506 should be Sony ICF 7600. Sony ICF 760. This is confirmed. 507 should be Sony ICF 7600DS. So this is different from the previous one. DS 507 confirmed. 508 is Toshiba F11. 508 Toshiba F11. Toshiba F11. Toshiba RP F11. This is confirmed. Toshiba 508 Toshiba F11. Moving on to next page. Next page 509 should be. Yeah, this is 509. 509 should be RP FV610. So 509 we are moving. 508 we have done. 509 should be, yeah, this is Sharp FV610. 509 FV610 confirmed. 510 is model 786. Oh, it's a religious number. 510 510 is model 786 radio. Part number 27719, model 786. This is confirmed. So this is confirmed. Yeah, 5110 is confirmed. So up to 5110 we have 510 we have counted, and next we will move on to another section. Pause. The radio is kept. Top view. The counting process is going on, undergoing. This rack radios we have completed counting just now. This number belongs to 431 to 450, and 451 to 510 we have counted. Up to 510 we have counted, and these all are also radios. Everything has to be counted. It will be taking a lot more time and hard work. So I will be showing you the banner. We did put that banner. This is our attempt, which is still going on, because we have got a humongous collection of radios, and we are attempting the Guinness record. Attempt by Mr. Ram Singh Both. I am his son, and those two others are also his son. So we all family are helping him in this attempt. He has a lot health issues, so he is resting. He comes occasionally to see. We used to show him videos every day, and he is watching. He's supervising us. So the attempt is still going on. There also we have got radios. He is also helping us for count. Okay, come now, everybody. Introductory video has finished. Let us put them back, and we will start counting from 511 now. This up to 510 we have done. So now we are going to count these radios from 511 to 612. 511 to 612 we will be counting. and supposedly we will be breaking the record today itself, because record is of 625 radios and we have more than 1500 radios, so it will be taking a lot more time, but record is very soon to be break today. So meeting you with another counting video now.